Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Sharma and I am currently pursuing my Bachelor's in Hotel Management in the AMC Institution, Bangalore. Our college provides a perfect blend of professional and academic learning, along with which the campus is equipped with kitchen setup, degree lab, front office and housekeeping lab, along with a restaurant setup, which helps us gain the industrial expertise. Our campus also organizes theme lectures every semester, along with industrial visit and workshop guest lecture, which helps us to gain professional knowledges with the guests from the hotel industry and help us to grow in the hotel life properly. Being with this institution helps me to gain and grow professionally and personally, and it is helping me to grow in the career as well. Thank you.